Hi guys, today we are making pasta pizza. Let's get started. First we have to take pasta. We have to boil the water. After boiling this water, we have to add pasta masala and pasta. Now pasta is ready. We have to take one pan and preheat for 2 minutes. Now we have to take pizza base and add butter. Second, we have to add ketchup. And afterwards we have to add pasta. Then we have to add mozzarella cheese. Now we keep this pizza on pan and take one plate and keep it on pizza. Now we have to heat pizza 15 to 20 minutes. I make second pizza because one pasta packet is for 2 pizzas. Now our pizza is ready. It's too delicious. We add chili flakes and oreganos. Give a try on this pizza. It's too yummy and delicious pizza. Subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you so much.